Just jokes. Please do not get offended. It's just jokes. We're entertainers. So we're gonna change the lyrics a little bit to talk about the good old days. 3 years ago, 4 years ago, whatever. Before COVID, the pre-COVID times. Once again, disclaimer. Please do not get offended. These are just jokes. We are entertainers. Where it began. Some said a lab in Wuhan, but now we know it was growing strong. COVID came in the spring, then spring became the summer. Who'd have believed it'd stay this fucking long? Wash your hands, reaching out. Don't touch me, I won't touch you.
Things never seem so good.
Remember the long lines when you had to get Pfizer or Moderna? We got the jab, but only 2. But J&J was like Eminem because you only get 1 shot. It really hurt my shoulder. My upper arm was black and